a small child. But because we are human, we continue to pray that most of you here, so you continue to pay your taxes will reach 300 years, since that may serve you well. But for me, don't pray for me to reach that. If the day I reach 80, 90, I say, God, you have overperformed. God, you have overperformed. Because with the kind of things we do, with the life we live, I don't think we're even qualified to stop to 70 years. It's true. It's not to go to church every Sunday and lie on the floor of the altar. Those are lies. Nobody can deceive us again. We have seen people who every Sunday, even if they are wearing white, the best of the white, they roll on the ground. As they come out, they are different people. They do different things. But just to let you know so that I don't want you to fall prey. I don't want you to be a victim. I saw a governor saying that he prays Nigeria gets another president like Buhari. Hi. I said, come. What's gone wrong with, you mean there should be a psychiatric check on that governor? You see, psycho-fancy. And you know the president knows that you are telling lies. He knows. The president knows that he was telling lies to him. You see people praising. No. It's unfortunate. This is where we are. May God help us. So it is not about me. It's about the system. Wike has come. Wike will go. But let the right thing be done. This program is a live program. It's a live program that involves all the three national televisions, AIT, Channel, and NT. Nigerians must hear it. No man can die. It's only once you die and you live. Nobody has died 2 times. Nobody. No man has died and resurrected. It's only Christ. According to our faith. Is it not? I went to San Francisco State when we went to beg that young governor not to leave the party. He said he's leaving the insecurity. The insecurity is getting worse now since he left us. I see that's why I say some people have malaria. They are crying. When you meet cancer, you know where you are. We have malaria, as I said in our party. No doubt there's malaria. But it will be better for me to remain where there's malaria than to go to the one that is cancerous. That's what has happened to him now.